Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about font sizes, and in HTML we have 7 possible options, 1 being the smallest one, 7 biggest one. But before doing that, let's have default paragraph, and the size of that thing is actually 3. So you don't need to specify that, it's already like done for you. So this is default font size. And let's refresh that. There you go, defaulting. Question: how to get into individual sizes? Well, of course, we're gonna have yet another paragraph, and inside we will have like this is font size level 1, uppercase L, just to have that like more visible. And now what to put where? Well, here we're gonna use font tag opening 1, and attribute, the red thing with equality and the quotes will be size, because we are targeting sizes in this tutorial. And let's put 1 as a first smallest size. Of course, we must close that thing, so font, and now result will be pretty much tiny. See, there you go. Okay, so up till 7 we can put stuff like manually, but that's pretty much a waste of time. So I will just copy paste this thing couple of times, to shorten this tutorial, and let's go to 2, 3, 4, 5. I know how to count, and this is boring. Well, at least up till 10. Probably you don't need more than that in life for most of operations. Right, so the 7th one will be the biggest one. See, there you go. If you don't like that, then of course you can use CSS to beautify font sizes and also many other things, most of the things in HTML. So you're gonna do CSS for beautification, but let's just talk about HTML for now. So here's a question: is there any other option? Well, we can use positive and negative numbers that will be like the base of it will be default one. So you're gonna have like 3 minus 2 or 3 minus 1 or something like that. So let me just do that practically. So default one is a 3. Now if you go here and set this to -2, because 3 minus 2 is 1, then you will get the smallest possible level as a result in that line. See, the smallest possible level. Now, following that logic, if you say -1, then that means 3 minus 1 is a 2. So the next one will be a little bit bigger for 1 level, and there you go. So you will say, okay, can I use plus? Well, yes. So basically when you say +1, that will mean in reality 3 plus 1 will give you 4, which is bigger than default 3. There you go. And if you say 4, then you will get 7, because 3 default plus 4, 7 will be, what I said, 3 plus 4, 7. I know how to count. So we're gonna get the biggest one. There you go. So guys, that's pretty much story about font sizes. What is recommended? Well, don't do mathematics here, okay? Just stick with normal numbers like 2 and 3, and you have 7 options. So do what you like, because when you end up with minuses and pluses, there is a chance that you will get confused if you have a lot of these things on a screen. So just roll here with a 1 to 7 option, and you will be fine. In reality, a lot of websites just use H1 to H3, and guys, that's pretty much it. Rarely I saw people using F4, 6, 7, 5 and such a thing. So yeah, the first 3 will be the most often used. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.